Against mandatory vaccinations and vaccine passports, thousands gathered in Belgium to express their anger at restrictions. It comes as the government issued strong advice to get vaccinated and gave health workers 3 months to get vaccinated or risk losing their jobs. Britain has seen some of its highest levels in new cases of the virus. Wembley Football Stadium was turned into a mass booster vaccination centre as the government tries to curb the outbreak. But for now, its reluctance to impose a pre-Christmas lockdown is at odds with the Mayor of London.
If we don't bring in new restrictions sooner rather than later, you're going to see even more positive cases and potentially public services like the NHS on the verge of collapse, if not collapsing.
Germany has added the UK to its high-risk countries, meaning tighter travel restrictions. France has already banned travel from Britain other than compelling reasons, which do not include tourism and business. It comes as Europe braces itself for the spread of the Omicron variant, and many countries are now considering a return of restrictions over the Christmas period. These streets in the Netherlands should have been packed with Christmas shoppers, but all non-essential businesses have been ordered to close after a strict lockdown was imposed. Even on the northern tip of Europe, Finland, where the Christmas period brings with it tourists, there's now real concern.
I've never had times like this before. Like I know my colleagues, they are wondering the same. This is like a puzzle. Every day you start back again and you look at the latest updates and news and you start wondering what's happening with the travelers, what's happening with the tourism workers and the companies. How do we survive?
As Christmas fast approaches, the shadow cast by the COVID virus seems to be getting ever longer. Baig, Aljazeera.